Alright, today's checkout day and I realized I didn't record much of the room. So there's the front. And when you walk in, there's this nice mirror. It has design on it. And then there's also a closet. Hang things, iron and board iron. It's pretty big. We kept the suitcases in here. Alright, and then there's a little kitchen area with a microwave, toaster, coffee pot, refrigerator with a small freezer, and a sink, cabinets, ice bucket. There's some plastic utensils that they had given us up here, as well as plates and bowls. We did order from a grocery service, water butlers. It was delivered to the front, Bell Services, and we went and got it the first day we got here. They were really good. Here's the bathroom. It's me. My hair's all flat from the humidity. Nice big mirror. 2 sinks. This that I probably don't want to look in. Into the bathroom. It's the toilet. Plenty of towels. And then the shower with the cool design. They still do have H2O body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And of course, we've got the little clothesline for the bathing suits. Also inside the room here, there's a little sitting area with a drawer and a tall wardrobe that you can hang more clothes in. And the safe is up here also. And then a nice dresser, TV. I love the carving in the dresser. And plenty of plugs and USB plugs for everybody's devices. Nice little sitting area. It's a little bit dirty, we're still packing. And this mirror, which is cool. These chairs are super comfortable too. We have the lamp, and then we had a sofa bed with a regular bed. And then there's the headboard with the artwork above it. Lights, all the details in here are just amazing. The whole resort. And then of course, our balcony. Ooh, that window's dirty. With the Savannah view. 2 chairs were out here. And then a little table. We came in Disney style, because we failed to come in here the other day. Disney Springs just opened, so it's pretty empty. That's a Little Mermaid. Some really cute Moana stuff. Yeah. I love this hat. Nightmare Before Christmas spirit jersey. Looks like how they changed the castle at Halloween. Get your picture in a teacup. It's 10:15 on a Saturday morning, and this is the line for Gideon's already. I mean, cookies are good. Well, the peanut butter one is. My kids don't like the chocolate chip at all because of the salt on top. The line turns the corner. We have a reservation for 10:50 this morning at Homecomin for brunch. I cannot wait. That'll be our last big meal before we head to the airport. today on our trip. I don't think I've ever been here this early in the day. The sun is not too hot yet, and it just feels nice. Deluxe Burger is another good spot. It's a quick service. Do mobile order. Never had a bad burger from there. They have good milkshakes too. Alright, this is cut in half. Pecan maple bacon donut. We have fried chicken and donuts with mashed potatoes. And then the same thing with mac and cheese. The art burger with french fries. And then a French toast. It's a lizard. Cool. Can you hold your beads out in front of me?
Hold on.
They're earning beads for doing things.